Welcome back, my beautiful shopping buddies. I hope everyone is having a fabulous day whenever you are watching this video. If you are new, my name is Angie. Please hit that subscribe button and also the notification button, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So today we are going to be shopping at Aldi today. Come on in, let's go shopping. Let's see what they have on sale today. The pineapple are $1.99. They're in the front, and so is the orange that we had seen last week for $3.59. So in the front refrigerator, we have some Hawaiian style chicken. We have stuffed broccoli, and down the bottom we have some pizza. Oh, okay. Egg roll. These are chicken egg roll and pork for $3.59. And the veggie cauliflower crust pizza look real interesting, right? $8. Oh, I like these pair. They are $4. They have some mini watermelon for $3.79. Cantaloupes are $2.49 each, and the papaya is 95 cents a pound. They're green though. Oh, spaghetti squash, I like this. $1.29 a pound. And they have the butternut squash, which I prefer. Ooh, with butter and brown sugar. So we are over the section where they have the new goodies. Anything good, ladies? Okay. Okay, $30 for the plush rugs right here. And they have 3 different colors. So they have a gray. I would say this is like a tan and a brownish color right here. Next we have some storage bins, and these are $10, 52 quarts. So these are the 12 drawer rolling storage carts. Look at this. And it's $40 for it. So look what I found. Jigsaw puzzle. These are for the kids. And they are $4. And they have over here. These are 500 pieces and also 1,000 pieces. And this is what they look like. And they are $7. These mops are nice, right? They have it in gray and teal. Spin mop. Separate bucket. And it's for $25. So if you love to do puzzle, this is a puzzle organizer. Look at this. And I love to do puzzles. It's $25 for it. So look at this right here. This is the universal power drill brush, and it's for $6. So over here we have some Joey kitchen sink gadget, and look at this. This is the trash bag rim. So this is a soap dispenser with sponge. And they are $3. It's a good buy right here. Look, they also have this over the facet caddy. And the Drain Fresh disposable pads, lemon scent. So look up here, they have the bar mop and flour sack towels. So you get 5 in here. These are the flour sack. And these are the bar mop towels. And you get 6 in here. I'm gonna grab this. Look over here. They have the spin sweeper. And they are $13. That's a good deal, right? This week they have men joggers at $14.99. They have it in black, gray, and cream. Elastic in the waist. They also have some men long sleeve shirt, $10. They have it in green, blue, and gray. Let me check out the gray. Also have a pocket on the breast area. Okay, let's check out these loafer right here. They have it in black. This is the black, brown, and they also have it in cream. The cream is a different style. Let me see if I could pull it out. I want to look at this with the tassels. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. You see this? And they are $15. So I see they have some new pants right here. They call these panty pants. Elastic. Look real comfy. From small to extra large for $13. Look, they have some nice reading glass this week. And they are $5. So right here they have some ladies joggers. So they have a light denim. They have a dark denim and also gray. Oh, look at these hair clips. So pretty, right? And the headband, they have it in cream, purple, blue, and a bright pink. And these are $3. Look at the scrunchies. These are some pretty scrunchies right here. It also comes in blue and pink. These are 4-pack of snap clips. Look at these rainbows they have. And they also have this pretty hunter green. Let me see the other color right here. Ooh, these are beautiful. Spring rainbows. And they are $13. Oh, they have the velvet pack hangers. It's $50 in the pack for $17. They also have the 2-pack of ladies leggings, and I see 2 different colors. They have navy blue with gray. They have gray, a light gray with green, and they also have black with black and gray. You get 2 for $10. That's a good buy. Oh, they have airbed this week. Look at this. And it's a queen size for $40. So they have some loungewear. Look at this. Love it. Oh, I love this one more. This is so pretty. And these are $9. Next we have the 6-pack seamless underwear. And they are $10. These are the only colors I see. So these are the fuzzy slipper socks. Here's another color. And they are $7. Look at this one. I also like this. And they have a blue with gray. I think I'm gonna get a pair for $7. Yep. So check out this two-piece rug set. They have it in a navy blue, a pretty sky blue, gray, and a tan color. These look real nice, and they are washable rugs. And the price is $10. Next, we have the three-piece reversible bedding. And I like blue. Comforter set. There's another print right here. So I want to see two prints. So look here, they have some coastal decor pillows, and these are the print. And this is the size. And they are $7. I like the blue and white. The light blue is pretty too, right? So check these out over here. Crest 3D white, remove 90% more stain. And they have the charcoal toothbrush that I like. I also use the electric toothbrush. They have the Arctic peppermint oil floss pick 75. That's good. And my toothbrush right here, Arctic Fresh, and they have Radiant Mint. And these are only $3.97. So look right here. They have some sheet sets. This is the only one I see, a queen size, for $20. And right beside it, we have some essential oil spray, citrus zest, orange tangerine, eucalyptus, lavender, carmine, and they also have peppermint. $5. I like these. These are reef. Look, they have apple blossom and berry, white moss and fern, neroli and bamboo, eucalyptus mint. They are $7. So look at this woven organizer. This is nice. Look at this. And they also have it in a pretty blue. Look, they also have this set, and this is a three-piece. Oh, wow. And they have it in a gray. They are $15. So check these out. Cordless cyclonic stick vacuum. Ooh, and they are $70. They also have the rechargeable electric window vacuum. It's $20 for this. YouTube. Look at these velvet plush comforters. Look at this design. This is nice, right? And they are $13. They also have this pretty blue, and it's reversible. And I see a tan. Let's look at this one. Ooh, this is pretty. So look at the white and blue. And these are 50 by 72. So this week they have the carrot juice. And they also have the mango juice. They are $6.48. I'm gonna get the carrot juice. Look at these pizza. These look so yummy. Wow. And these are $5. Let me know who have tried this lobster with macaroni and cheese. I'm definitely gonna buy one of these. And look at this one. This said shrimp and lobster bake. And they are $7.49. Oh, these are strawberry cupcakes. $3.48. And I like these little mini Oreos. And they have mini Chip Ahoy. And what's this? Oh, animal crackers. And these are $2.79. And they have a lot here, right? I saw these in Walmart a couple of weeks ago. Space Dunk Oreos. They are $4.58. And look over here, they have the double stuffed gluten-free Oreos, and they have the regular gluten-free. They are $4.58. So they have the corned beef brisket. This is $19.96 for this pack right here. Morton's. So these are Cattleman Ranch corned beef brisket. Look at this. This is interesting. If you're gonna make a roast beef, you got everything in there: potatoes, celeries, carrot, onions, and the meat. This is by Tyson, and this is $10.99 roast beef kit. So look over here, they have all these chocolate goodies. Crunchy peanut butter. So that's it for today, my shopping buddies. Thank you for coming along. Be safe. Stay blessed. $1.99. Wow.